UWS crossover truck toolboxes are the tried and true way of keeping your tools organized, on hand, and fully secure no matter where you and your truck roam. Each UWS toolbox is built from extra thick aluminum, welded into a single piece tub. This provides the toolbox with a reliable strength that helps keep the interior sealed off from the elements. Aluminum construction also makes the box highly resistant to corrosion for long-lasting use. To add even more strength to the crossover truck toolbox, the lid features the patented rigid core foam fill design. To ensure smooth opening and closing, this core is layered between two sheets of aluminum. This greatly increases the structural integrity of the lid to prevent bending and warping. The lid can open to a full 90 degrees, providing better access to tools, equipment, and other stored items. This particular truck toolbox features a low profile, meaning the lid is built lower than the standard lid. This provides a better view out of the rear cab window and additional clearance for other items in the truck bed if needed. To keep out moisture, dirt, and even insects, the lid is also fitted with a micro-seal gasket that seals off the inside of the toolbox from the outside elements. UWS crossover truck toolboxes make it easy to keep your tools and other items organized, featuring built-in screwdriver holders and a 3-compartment sliding tool tray. The toolbox itself is easy to install and is available in multiple sizes to provide the perfect fit for your truck and lifestyle. If you're interested in purchasing a UWS crossover truck toolbox, or you need to find help getting it installed, check out our store locator in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.